Guys, and welcome back to our channel Mirza Spice. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make chicken baked wings. So the ingredients that you require are 2 kg of chicken wings, and for the marinade you need a quarter cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of crushed red chillies, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, so fenugreek leaves, half a teaspoon of crushed coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and salt to taste. So the first step is to make sure you clean and wash your chicken wings thoroughly. Add in your plain yogurt. So I use Greek yogurt, however you can use any yogurt of your choice. So once you've added in your yogurt, add in your ginger garlic paste. And then add in all your spices. Now these chicken wings had a medium spice to them, so if you like them more spicy, just add in more red chili powder, and if you want them less spicy, just add in less spices. So once you've added everything in, just make sure you mix thoroughly, make sure your hands are washed. You need to ensure each chicken piece is coated in the spices evenly. Once you've mixed thoroughly, put these to the side and allow them to marinate for a couple of hours or overnight if possible. So after a few hours, grease your pan, so whatever pan you'll be baking your wings in. So once I had greased my tray, I added in all the chicken pieces. The reason you would grease your tray is just to prevent the chicken wings from sticking once the water dries up. So like I mentioned, I had 2 kg of chicken wings. So if you had 1 kg, you would just half all the spices. So all the marinade, I told you, you would just half everything. If any of you do try this recipe at home and have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below, and inshallah I'll get back to you, or you can DM me on my Instagram. So once all the chicken wings have been added to the tray, cover with foil. Now this step is just to prevent any steam from coming out, and it allows the chicken wings to cook. Then at the end, once the chicken wings are cooked, we will remove and cook them for a further 10 minutes. So you would cook these on 250 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. And then you would flip the sides, so change sides and allow them to cook for another further 30 minutes. So once your chicken wings are ready, you can serve these with any sauce of choice. I serve them with mint chutney and some salad. You can even have these with naan. So if you do like my recipe, please make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.